Hello everyone, I'm Tanzil from Doplac.com and welcome back to another video. And as I mentioned in my last video that I will upload a video about how you can create an app password for your Gmail. As we know, you have to create an app password to connect your Gmail or use your Gmail to send cool outreach campaign using Doplac.com. So I'm going to show you how you can create an app password or what step or you have to follow to create an app password for your Gmail. First, you have to go to your Gmail account, then click on your name, then click on manage your Gmail account, manage your Google account actually, and this is the page you will be taken to. The first things you have to do to create an app password, you have to make sure that the two-step verification of your Gmail account is turned on. You have to turn on your two-step verification, otherwise you actually can't create an app password. So I'm pretty much sure that everyone know how to create and how to turn on the app two-step verification for a Gmail account or a Google account. So I'm not going to actually show you. I'm not going to waste your time for that. So when you are on your Google account, then just search for app password. I'm going to search it here, app, and here it is. Click on app password and choose your app name. I'm going to choose my app name, Doplac. Then just click on create, and here it is. This is my app password. This is the 16-digit app password that I have to provide on my Doplac.com account to connect my Gmail to my Doplac.com. And this is the one thing you have to make sure when you are providing this 16-digit password on your Doplac.com account. You have to make sure that you have to provide it without any space, as we are showing that it has in space after every 4 digits, but you have to make sure that there is no space when you are actually providing your password on your Doplac.com account. It's that simple. After providing your password on your Doplac.com account, just click on connect, then your Gmail will be connected to your Doplac.com account, and we show you how you can connect your Gmail, your Doplac.com account. I can edit the video to the I button or in the description below for you. Don't forget to check out every single feature that Doplac.com offering at this moment, because it's completely free until June 1st, 2024, and you can utilize it and see how we can help you to grow your business, grow your agency. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.